Ever found yourself staring at a shiny new Tangem card, your crypto buzzing with anticipation, only to wonder, wait, will this even work with my Android phone? It's a common question, and for good reason. In a world dominated by both Android and iOS, compatibility is key when it comes to managing your digital assets securely. You've heard about the seamless NFC tap-and-go experience, the seed phrase-free setup, and the robust security of Tangem, but does that sleek card truly play nice with the vast and varied Android ecosystem? The short answer, thankfully, is a resounding yes. Tangem absolutely works on Android devices, opening up its innovative hardware wallet solution to a massive user base. But, as with most tech, there are a few important nuances to understand to ensure a smooth and secure experience. The core of Tangem's functionality on Android, just like on iOS, relies on NFC, near-field communication. This is the technology that allows your Tangem card to communicate with your phone by simply tapping it against the device. Think of it like a contactless payment, but instead of buying coffee, you're interacting with your crypto wallet. So, what do you need to look out for on your Android device? Primarily, NFC support and the Android operating system version. Tangem officially supports Android operating systems higher than 6.0. Most modern Android smartphones come equipped with NFC, but it's always a good idea to double-check your phone's specifications or settings if you're unsure. You can usually find an NFC toggle in your phone settings under Connected Devices, Connection Preferences, or similar. Now, while most Android phones with Android 6.0 Plus are compatible, there's a crucial distinction: full NFC support. Some older Android models, or even some newer ones that skimp on certain hardware features, might have NFC but not with the full capabilities required for tasks like securely transferring the necessary information during the initial activation and private key backup process. If you encounter issues during setup, particularly with backing up your private key directly on that device, it might be due to this. However, don't despair. Tangem offers a workaround. You can use a fully NFC-compatible Android 6.0 Plus device or an iPhone 8 and up to create the backup, and then seamlessly continue using your original Android phone for daily transactions. Getting the Tangem app on Android is as straightforward as it gets. You can download it directly from the Google Play Store. Alternatively, if for some reason the Play Store isn't an option, perhaps due to regional restrictions or specific NFC limitations on your device preventing the app from appearing, you can even download the APK file directly from Tangem's GitHub page. This gives you flexibility and ensures you can access the app regardless of minor Play Store hiccups. Once you have the app, the process is incredibly intuitive. You simply open the Tangem app, tap your card to the NFC module on your phone. The exact location can vary by phone model, so a quick search for NFC location, your phone model, can be helpful, and follow the on-screen prompts. The Tangem app is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to view your cryptocurrency balance, send and receive assets, and even interact with decentralized applications, dApps, through Wallet Connect, all with just a tap of your card. From setting up your wallet without a seed phrase, a truly unique and secure feature of Tangem, to optionally creating one for those who prefer the traditional backup method, the Android app handles it all. You can manage multiple Tangem cards within the same app, seamlessly switch between different wallets, and even perform in-app crypto swaps. The app's open-source nature provides transparency, and regular updates from the Tangem team ensure continued compatibility, enhanced features, and robust security. In essence, if you're an Android user looking for a convenient, secure, and intuitive hardware wallet solution, Tangem is definitely a strong contender. Just ensure your phone has NFC, and ideally, full NFC support for the initial setup. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.